Introduction: Freelancing is a popular way to work for yourself and take control of your career. If you are interested in becoming a freelancer but aren't sure where to start, this guide will walk you through the steps. Step 1. Choose a niche. The first step to becoming a freelancer is to choose a niche. This could be anything from graphic design to writing to web development. The key is to choose a niche that you are skilled in and passionate about. Step 2. Build your portfolio. Once you have chosen a niche, it's important to build a portfolio that showcases your work. This could be a website, a social media page, or a collection of samples. Make sure your portfolio is professional, easy to navigate, and showcases your best work. Step 3. Set your rates. When you are just starting out as a freelancer, it can be difficult to know how much to charge. Do some research on industry standards and competitors' rates, and then set your own rates accordingly. Remember to factor in expenses such as taxes, software, and equipment. Step 4. Find clients. Next, you'll need to find clients. There are many different ways to do this, including using job boards, networking with other professionals in your industry, and reaching out to potential clients directly. Don't be afraid to start small and build your client base over time. Step 5. Market yourself. Once you have found some clients, it's important to market yourself to attract more work. This could include using social media, creating a blog or podcast, attending industry events, or even running ads. The key is to find what works best for you and your niche. Step 6. Manage your time and finances. As a freelancer, you'll need to manage your time and finances carefully. This could include creating a schedule, setting aside time for marketing and networking, and tracking your income and expenses. Consider using tools such as time tracking apps and accounting software to stay organized. Conclusion: becoming a freelancer can be a great way to work for yourself and pursue your passions. By choosing a niche, building your portfolio, setting your rates, finding clients, marketing yourself, and managing your time and finances, you can build a successful freelance career that allows you to live life on your own terms. Here is a list of 10 popular freelancing sites. 1. Upwork. Upwork is one of the largest freelancing platforms, with millions of registered freelancers and clients. It offers a wide range of jobs, from writing and graphic design to programming and virtual assistants. 2. Freelancer. Freelancer is a global freelancing platform that connects businesses with freelancers across a wide range of industries, including writing, design, programming, and marketing. 3. Fiverr. Fiverr is a popular platform for freelancers offering services starting at $5. The platform features a wide range of services, from graphic design and writing to video editing and social media management. 4. PeoplePerHour. PeoplePerHour is a UK-based freelancing platform that connects businesses with freelancers from around the world. The platform features a wide range of services, including web development, design, writing, and marketing. 5. Toptal. Toptal is a platform that connects businesses with top freelance talent in fields such as software development, design, and finance. Toptal has a rigorous screening process for its freelancers, ensuring that clients are connected with top talent. 6. Guru. Guru is a global freelancing platform that connects businesses with freelancers across a wide range of industries, including writing, design, programming, and marketing. 7. 99 Designs. 99 Designs is a platform that specializes in graphic design services. Clients can launch design contests and receive multiple submissions from freelance designers, or hire a designer for a specific project. 8. Simply Hired. Simply Hired is a job search engine that features a wide range of freelance and contract jobs across various industries, including writing, design, and marketing. 9. Hubstaff Talent. Hubstaff Talent is a platform that connects businesses with freelance talent across various industries, including software development, design, and writing. The platform features a simple interface and no fees for freelancers or businesses. 10. FlexJobs. FlexJobs is a job search site that features a wide range of remote and freelance jobs across various industries. The site requires a paid membership, but offers a curated selection of jobs that are screened for legitimacy. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, then share and subscribe.